What is going on, y'all? Welcome to another episode. I've got a 2019 Hyundai Elantra that we've got in the shop today. We're double checking it because it just came back from our detailers. And we are going to have to do just a little bit of pressure washing. It did come back with dirt on it. And it was something like -5 this morning whenever I came in. So that's what it looks like outside. It's gonna be great. It's a great time. So let me find a way to set this camera up and then we'll get after this. Alright, now we'll let the engine dry the rest of the way out. We'll put some gloss on it, call it done, put it out on the lot. Now we hit it with our detail supply warehouse high gloss. And this is what it should look like. Well, there's nothing more we have to do to the inside of this. I'm going to go ahead and try to wash the outside and put it on the lot. We'll see you guys next time. It's been kind of a short video. This is about what the normal content you're going to see for right now is. At least until this snow shit goes away and I can stop being a lazy ass and actually do the carburetor on my bike. Alright guys, y'all be good. Stay crusty. We'll see you next time.